Sheikh Noor-ud-din Wali, also known as Nund Reshi or Alamdar-e Kashmir, was a great Sufi saint, mystic, poet and Islamic preacher of Kashmir Valley. Born on the 24th of September 1377 AD in Qaimoh village of Kulgam district, Sheikh Noor-ud-din Wali was actually a descendant of a Hindu Rajput family from Kashtawa. His father, Salar Sands, had converted under the influence of the Sufi preacher Sayyid Hussain Simnani, the Central Asian Muslim missionary, now resting in Kulgam. Sheikh Noor-ud-din Wali embarked on his spiritual journey at the age of 30, retreating from society for 12 years of solitary meditation in a cave. In 1420, he returned and established the Rishi order, a new Sufi movement that blended mysticism with social activism. This order became a powerful force for change in Kashmir. For the remaining 20 years of his life, he was deeply involved in the spiritual and political affairs of the Kashmiri people. His mystical poetry and teachings resonated widely and were often quoted by locals in their everyday lives. He explored themes of spirituality, devotion, and the search for the truth. Sheikh Noor-ud-din Wali articulated an inclusive Kashmiri political spirituality that appealed to subaltern groups. He did not aim to convert Kashmiri Hindus and Buddhists to Islam. Instead, he used the Kashmiri vernacular to reach ordinary people, founding the Rishi Sufi order that spread locally across rural Kashmir. Sheikh Noor-ud-din spread his teachings or message through poems, commonly known as Shruks, and exposed the evils of the society and toiled to unify the people of different religions. His poems have 4 to 6 lines each and evolve around religious themes, highlight moral principles and often call for peace. He always strived for Hindu-Muslim unity. One of his prominent poems is An Poshi Teli Yeli Wan Poshi, which translates as, "Food will thrive only till the woods survive." This great saint of Kashmir, Sheikh Noor-ud-din, left the world in 1438 approximately at the age of 63 years. But his thought is well preserved and researched today. In 1998, University of Kashmir established an institute called Markaz-e-Noor or Center for Sheikh al-Alam Studies to conduct scientific research on Sheikh Noor-ud-din's life. In 2015, the university established a research center called Sheikh al-Alam Chair in order to honor his reachings. The center is aimed at exploring the social and cultural background of the Kashmiri Rishis. In 2017, the Jammu and Kashmir Academy of Art, Culture and Languages covered his life in a book titled, Hayat-e-Sheikh al-Alam, or Life of Nund Reshi. Besides, there are hundreds of books, research papers and academic works being carried to delve deep into the thought of Nund Reshi. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel at Extra Modern.